In today's video, I'll give you DeepSearch AI app review. So DeepSearch get a lot of mixed reviews. There are some positive aspects as well as criticisms. The first thing that you'll realize when using the DeepSearch AI application is that it is very easy to use. You can simply search for anything via the search bar and you'll be able to see the results over here. The DeepSearch AI applications aim to provide comprehensive, well-researched answers which synthesize information from multiple sources. It goes beyond the traditional link-based search engines. The applications are also designed to find publicly accessible information and online profiles for networking, professional background checks, and reconnecting with people. While there are positive aspects, there are some criticisms too. Many DeepSearch app requires a paid subscription for full access with free versions offering very limited searches or features. Some users report that the AI provides only a few paragraphs of speculation or summarizes basic information. It does not offer deep, actionable insights for the ability to drill down into details. There is also lack of direct links. Some apps do not provide the clickable links to the sources they use. It reduces their utility for verification or further investigation. There are also aggressive pop-ups. Users find constant pop-ups for pro access or other paid features to be annoying and intrusive. So DeepSearch AI applications receive mixed reviews, with many users finding them overly reliant on subscriptions, limited in their capabilities and producing generic results, and constant pop-ups for premium access. Some versions focus on finding publicly available information, while others offer AI-powered search and content synthesis. But the quality and usefulness often depend on the specific app and the depth of the information on the individual being searched. So this is basically the review of DeepSearch AI application. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.